Hello everyone and welcome to our Earth Week activity. You will need your art packet from school as always. In your pack you should have a coffee filter, you should have
a map, and you should also have a coloring page. This coloring page is for you to keep. It's for you to obviously color after you are done with the coffee filter part. Use whatever colors, post it somewhere that you'll be able to see, that it will help to remind you to reduce, reuse, and recycle. We love our planet and we need to take care of her, so we need to do our best in assisting in that. So that is what that is, and now we will focus on our main part of this project. So you will have a coffee filter and your art or your earth packet, and then you will need some markers. So you will need a black Sharpie and you will need green and blue markers. These can be Crayola markers. You cannot use other color Sharpies. You can only use like water Crayola markers, because what we will be doing is
we're going to be tracing, and then we're going to be coloring, and then we're going to be using our spray bottle to help our colors blend together and to make a really awesome stained glass like appearance. So first we're going to take our Sharpie and we are going to trace the earth. We are going to line up our coffee filter with the stencil, and then we will start tracing away. You're going to use your Sharpie, like I said before, and just start tracing what you see under the coffee filter. All right, as you can see, I have my Sharpie outlined with the stencil, and you can now flip that over. You won't need the earth side anymore, but you can still draw on the paper so you don't get any on your workspace. And what you are going to do is fill in the land parts with green, whatever shade of green you have. I have two different shades, so I'm going to use two, but whatever shade you guys have. And then for the blue part, everything that is not inside of the Sharpie, the water will be blue. So go ahead and start coloring that in. And whatever one you want to do first, I'm going to start with the blue. So as you can see, I have my land colored in green, different shades, and my water, two different shades of blue. Again, you don't need to do different shades. That's totally up to you. You are then going to take your spray bottle. If you don't have a spray bottle filled with water, what you can do is get a bowl. This bowl is full of paper clips, but a little bowl like this you would fill up with water, and you would put your hand in the bowl and you would sprinkle like that. So you would dip your hands and sprinkle the water. But since I have a spray bottle, I am going to use this. And what we're gonna do is spray our coffee filter, and you're gonna watch how the colors bleed together. You can pick it up to assist it in bleeding, and they kind of all just mesh together, right? So giving it this stained glass effect. You can add a little bit more water if it dries up right away. You don't want it to be super soaked, but at the same time you don't want it to be super dry so that it won't be able to bleed. You can see this is really messy, so again, stay working on the back side of your globe. And then once this is all dried, you will pick it up and you can see through it, and you can see how much it bled together and how it made this really beautiful globe for us to celebrate Earth Day. So feel free to hang this up in windows. It will look so beautiful with the sunlight shining through, or wherever you would like to put it. Great job.